Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok direct message option not showing. It's a very quick fix. So if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like. Also subscribe if you're new and also comment down below if you have any issues whatsoever during the video. So let's start. So normally when you go on a TikTok account, you have this message option. You can type in a message, say, hey, something like this. But sometimes you don't have it. And this is the reason why. If we go to your Me profile, you got to know that there's different types of accounts on TikTok and they have different privacy options. For example, if you click the three dots right here, go on privacy, you can see a few options. For example, right here under safety, who can send you direct messages. If you have it to friends, only followers that follow you back will be able to message you. And this goes both ways. If you're trying to message someone and he has this option turned on and he's not following you, you won't be able to message them. So this is the reason. If he has it set on no one, just like Gary Vee does, you won't have issues. So the only way to do that is to actually send them a follow request, maybe DM them if you know them. And if you wouldn't know them, why would you DM them, right? So make sure you give this video a like if it helped you out. Comment down below if you want to see another tutorial and see you in the next video. Bye.